While the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is getting a massive makeover, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 isn't changing much compared to its predecessor, at least according to a new report. Samsung's next-generation flagship foldable phone will come with updated internals and hardware, but it could continue using a design similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. According to a Tipster universe, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have the same 6.2-inch cover display and aspect ratio as its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The phone will be 0.2 mm thinner than the Z Fold 4 and will have no gap between the two halves when folded. However, despite fans' requests, there won't be a wider cover display, making typing and using some apps potentially more difficult. When folded, the phone will be 13.x thin, which is 1 mm thinner compared to its predecessor. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is said to feature a water droplet-shaped hinge that allows the phone to fold completely flat, resulting in almost no visible crease on the main screen. It will also use a new touchscreen technology and weigh 254g, 9 mm lighter than its predecessor. The device is rumored to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, which is also used in the Galaxy S23 series, promising significant performance improvements even under sustained load. Previous reports indicate that Samsung won't change the rear-facing camera hardware with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Hence, apart from certain image tuning, we shouldn't expect much to change compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It may offer 8K 30 frames per second video recording using the rear camera, similar to the Galaxy S23 series. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to retain its IPX8 water resistance rating, while also improving its dust resistance. It is unclear whether the device will come with a dust resistance rating. The phone is expected to ship with Android 13 and a newer version of Samsung's One UI. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.